Hello? Oh, hi, Amir. How's everything going in Oman? Oh, it's great to hear. Yeah, everything's going all right, thanks. You know, it's summer's here, but looking like there's a dark cloud overhead. I don't know if it might rain here. I'll have to run for cover if it starts raining. But you know, everything's going good. I'm trying to make inroads with my business partner these days, and it's not working out so well. You know, we kind of have a bit of a strained relationship. Yeah, we kind of had a fallout, you know, just kind of an argument about some business stuff, and so now our relationship is a bit strained, and I'm trying to make inroads, but I don't know, nothing seems to be working here. So, oh hey, Amir, gotta run. I see some people spying on me. Talk to you later. I always catch you guys spying on me. Now I'm crying. It's bright out here, even with the cloud. It's bright. Look at that nice dark cloud up there, and there's a plane up there trying to ruin my video. Well guys, do you know what the word inroads means? To make inroads. That means, here's some screaming kids over there. Oh hey, two rabbits. Look at that. I don't know if you can see them in my camera, but there's 2 rabbits over there. So guys, to make inroads means you're trying to make progress. Okay, now very often we use this word in relationships. Okay, if you have a bit of a strained relationship, that means the relationship is kind of, you know, it's something probably happened that makes the relationship a bit tense, or it's just not going very well, right? That's a strained relationship. You know, maybe you had an argument and now you're not talking with each other. That means the relationship is strained. Do you have any strained relationships? Hope I don't have any strained relationships. I probably do. But to make inroads means you're trying to do things to make progress in the relationship. Okay, you're trying to maybe, you know, restore the relationship. Hey guys, what's down here? Nice little path that goes through the houses here. Okay, so that's what to make inroads means. Or maybe, you know, if you're a company, or you're you know, you could use this word for any kind of progress. Okay, oh, I see someone coming there. I better turn back. Guys, I avoid people like the plague. All right, back here to our nice green space. Wouldn't you rather walk in nice green space rather than on a concrete path? Look at this nice grass, guys. So beautiful. Man, I love grass. And here's a root. Someone uprooted this root. Look at that. Nice. So, you know, if you're, let's say you're I don't know, you are a person working in the government, and you're trying to solve some problem, and, you know, let's say there's something in, maybe there's some issue, and you're trying to make inroads. It means you're trying to make progress. Look at that dog there. Dog's trying to make an appearance in this video. Dog's trying to get famous in my videos, guys. So, if you try to make inroads, it means you're trying to fix a situation. It could be a relationship. It could be some problem in anything. Trying to make inroads. Okay, so that's what that means. And what else? What other word did I use? I was telling Amir the word strained. There was one other word I used. I can't remember what it was. Oh man, tell me guys down in the comments. there was one word that I thought I would explain. I was talking about our business, and yeah, it slipped my mind, guys. There was one word that I was gonna tell you guys about back there. I'll post it down in the comments, all right? And I'll tell you what that means. So, but anyway, there it is. I just wanted to make a quick lesson to teach you that word, inroads. Let me know, did you know that, inroads? I mean, look, it's easy to remember, right? Road, this isn't really a road, this is more of a path. All right, so don't think of that example. Think of a real road. If you're making inroads, that means you're making progress, right? So I told Amir, I'm trying to make inroads with my friend, my business partner, but you know, so far it's not working so well. So anyway, hey guys, are you ever trying to make inroads in your relationships? Maybe you've got some strained relationships and you're trying to make inroads. All the best to you. I wish you all the best. It's not easy having strained relationships, but you know, keep trying your best, keep trying to make inroads, and with that, you know, I'll just wish you all the best and say, as I always do, I love you guys so much, and hope you're staying safe, hope you're having a healthy, happy start to the summer. I mean, the summer's starting here in Calgary. I don't know what the weather is like in your part of the world, but it's just gorgeous here, guys. Still kicking myself because I can't think of that word. If you're upset at yourself, you can say, I'm kicking myself. I'm kicking myself, you know. Like maybe you wasted some money. You bought something useless. You could say, I'm really kicking myself for that purchase. I'm kicking myself for buying a new car. I know I shouldn't have bought a new car. It was a waste of money. I'm kicking myself. Hope you guys aren't kicking yourself today. But if you do, that's fine. I've kicked myself a million times in my life. So anyway, guys, love you so much. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, Amir. Sorry to bother you again. I was just thinking, what word did I use to describe what happened with my business partner? Oh yeah, the word fallout. Thanks so much. Awesome. Take care. All right, guys, I found the answer. The word is fallout. Okay, if you have a fallout with someone, that means the relationship kind of breaks down. You know, maybe you had an argument, maybe you had some big disagreement about something, and so, you know, the relationship just kind of, you know, if you think about the word fall out, it means it just kind of collapsed. The relationship kind of broke down, right? So, have you ever had a fallout with someone? A fallout, you know, it happens very often in this world where people, they just something big happens and they just have a fallout. Okay, so anyway, that's a word you can use. Look at this. This is just gorgeous place here, guys. These nice trees with that pond. Man, just green grass. Play soccer out here on these fields. These clouds are looking a bit threatening. I don't know if the forecast is for rain today, but anyway, if it starts to rain, I'll run for cover. Take cover at McDonald's. Eat some, maybe grab a milkshake or something. That'd be great. Guys, there's another plane ruining my video. Anyway, guys, hope you don't have any fallouts in your relationships. Hope your relationships aren't strained. And what was the main word I was teaching you? Inroads. Oh yeah, if you make inroads with someone or anything, you're trying to find a way, right? You're trying to find a way through. You're making inroads. You're trying to make some progress in whatever it is, but especially in relationships. I hope you guys can make inroads in your relationships this year. That'd be great. So guys, I wish you all the best. All my love. Have a great day.